Want to see more Griffith Goods and Spirits content? Well, hit us up with a like and subscribe, and hit that bell if you want to be invited to the next family dinner.
That sounds like a dare, Harry.
It's a double dare.
Yeah, okay, you're on.
We're back. Mitchell Griffith here with Griffith Goods and Spirits, and today we've got probably one of the dumbest movies you'll ever see.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Guys!
But it's guaranteed to get even the sternest person to laugh. We've got Dumb and Dumber dumplings and snow owls coming at you today.
Saddle up, partner.
Want to make this the easiest family dinner you've ever hosted? Well, now with Easy Bins, it is. Easy Bins is a convenient and easy way for you to get all of your groceries delivered straight to your door. They've got this recipe and hundreds more on their website, and use the code Griffith5 at checkout in order to get $5 off your next Easy Bins order.
Where's the booze?
As we always do, let's start with a cocktail. Today, we're making snow owls. So we're gonna toss some ice into our shaker here. We're gonna do 2.5 ounces of sake. 2 and then a half. Then we're gonna add 1 ounce of Palm Wonderful pomegranate juice. We're gonna do 2 dashes of bitters. And then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Add that in, lock your shakers together, give it a fun shake. And then you're just gonna strain this. Now, this calls for a little bit of the bubbly.
We already got the tuxes.
And you're just gonna top this off with about 3 ounces of champagne. You'll just add your orange zest to the side of your cocktail, and your snow owl's ready.
Boy, this party really died.
Now that we've got our snow owl finished, we're gonna start on the dumplings. We're gonna start off by cooking down 1/2 of a green cabbage. You're just gonna take the heart out of this, and then you're just gonna slice it thinly. Now once you've got this finely diced, you're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to your pan. It's on medium heat, and then add in all of your cabbage. You're just gonna wanna get this browned up real nice. Now once you've gotten this color on your cabbage, you are ready to go. We've gotten all of our green cabbage sweated down and gotten a little color on it. We're gonna start on the dumpling filling. So we've got 1 pound of ground sausage. We're gonna do our 1/2 of our cabbage in here. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 inch knob of ginger, finely grated. We've got 3 green onions, thinly sliced, and then 4 garlic cloves, finely minced. Now that we've got all of our ingredients in our mixing bowl, we're just gonna salt and pepper this to taste.
You spilled the salt. Toss some salt over your right shoulder.
Now that we have salt and peppered all of our dumpling filling, this is the most important part, is you're gonna want to mix this all together with a fork, because you don't want these to be a thick, meatball-like consistency. You want it to be light and airy so that all of your meat will cook through and your dumplings will stay light and airy. Now that we've got our dumpling filling done, we're just gonna use a melon baller to portion out a little bit of filling to these. Be careful not to get too much or else these dumplings won't seal. Push it all into the middle, and then what you wanna do is take your finger and wet it with a little bit of water, then run it around the 4 edges of your dumpling wrapper. And don't stress about this. You can fold them into just little triangles, or you can go for the folded traditional dumpling style. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be fun. All right, now time to cook our dumplings. We're gonna add in about 3 tablespoons of a neutral oil to our pot. And we're just gonna take our dumplings and just sit them in. This is how you want your dumplings to be arranged in the pan. And you'll know that your dumplings are getting done once their skin looks like this. And then you'll reduce the heat and add some water. We've reduced our heat to medium low. And what we did is we added about 4 ounces of water to our pan and we added a lid to it. And we're just gonna let those dumplings cook for about 7 to 10 minutes and then you'll be good to go. While our dumplings are finishing in the pot, we're gonna go ahead and make just a quick, easy dipping sauce for them. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and about a tablespoon of sesame oil. And you're just gonna stir all of this together, and it's gonna be a perfect dipping sauce.
It's not so bad.
It's more tingly than hot.
Yeah.
After about 8 minutes, all of our dumplings were done. I plated them with a little bit of kimchi and some green onions, and then I'm gonna top them with just a little bit of sesame seeds. You've got your Dumb and Dumber dumplings, you've got your dipping sauce, you've got your snow owl, and now you're ready for family dinner.
I like it a lot.
Quick little sip. That's delicious. We've got 1 pound of ground pork here. Jesus.
Extra gloves? You've had this pair of extra gloves this whole time?
Yeah, we're in the Rockies.